4 seeds that can transform your health and 4 that can destroy it. Have you ever stopped to think about the impact that seeds can have on your health? How to consume these little wonders safely, making the most of their benefits? And most importantly, which seeds should you avoid to protect your body from potential dangers? Seeds are much more than just side dishes or recipe ingredients. They are true stores of nutrients, capable of transforming the way you take care of your health. However, not all of them offer only benefits. Some hide risks that may go unnoticed, such as dangerous toxins or adverse effects on digestion. Choosing the right seeds can improve your heart health, optimize your digestion, and even increase your daily energy. But consuming the wrong ones can cause silent and sometimes serious harm. In this text, we will explore both sides of this coin together. On one side, you will discover 4 incredible seeds to include in your diet. On the other hand, you will learn about the 4 that should be avoided at all costs. Let's get started. The 4 powerful secrets, seeds you should eat. Chia, the omega-3 rich superfood that turbines your energy. Chia, a small seed, but with a huge impact on health. It is one of the best plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for the proper functioning of the heart. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in the body, balance cholesterol levels, and prevent the accumulation of plaque in the arteries, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Furthermore, chia is a true treasure of fiber. Just one 30-gram serving, about 2 tablespoons, offers approximately 10 grams of fiber. This corresponds to almost half the recommended daily amount for adults. Fiber not only helps keep the intestines functioning regularly, but also promotes a feeling of satiety. This means less desire to snack between meals and greater control over your weight. Another strong point of chia is its ability to provide energy constantly. When hydrated, these seeds form a natural gel, which slows digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable. With this, energy is released gradually, avoiding sudden peaks and drops. As if that weren't enough, chia is also rich in antioxidants, compounds that help fight free radicals responsible for premature aging and various diseases. These antioxidants help to reduce inflammation and protect the body's cells, promoting greater health and vitality. Incorporating chia into your routine is simple and practical. It can be added to smoothies, yogurts, salads, or used as an egg substitute in vegan recipes. And as small as it may seem, chia is a nutritional giant that deserves a prominent place in your daily life. Flaxseed, the ally against heart, diseases, and cancer. Flaxseed is one of the oldest seeds consumed by humanity, known for its exceptional nutritional properties. This small seed is a rich source of omega-3 just like chia, but it has a powerful difference: lignans. Lignans are plant compounds with antioxidant properties and estrogen-like effects that can help balance hormones in the body. These compounds are especially valuable in preventing certain types of cancer, such as breast and prostate. Studies show that diets rich in lignans can help reduce the risk of hormonal cancer, making flaxseed a powerful ally in preventing these diseases. Furthermore, flaxseed is one of the most recommended seeds for heart health. The omega-3 present in it, especially alpha-linolenic acid, helps reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. This means less chance of developing cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks or strokes. Another significant benefit of flaxseed is its high concentration of soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, stabilizing energy throughout the day. Insoluble fibers promote intestinal health, ensuring efficient digestion and preventing problems such as constipation. To obtain all the benefits of flaxseed, it is essential to consume it ground. Whole seeds, due to their resistant shell, can pass through the digestive tract without being properly absorbed, losing a large part of their nutrients. The versatility of flaxseed is another highlight. It can be incorporated into recipes for bread, cakes, smoothies, or sprinkled over salads and cereals. Its mild flavor adapts easily to different preparations, ensuring you enjoy its benefits effortlessly. Adding flaxseed to your diet is like including natural heart insurance and a protective barrier against serious illnesses. It is not just a seed, but a true natural medicine that science and nature offer in a simple and effective way. Pumpkin, the treasure of minerals that strengthen the body. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are little nutritional gems that can transform your health. Rich in essential minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron, they are essential for keeping the body functioning properly. Magnesium is one of the biggest highlights of pumpkin seeds. It plays a vital role in bone health, muscle function, and balancing blood pressure. An adequate level of magnesium in the body can prevent cramps, fatigue, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. Zinc, in turn, is essential for immunity and skin health. It aids in wound healing, improves the body's ability to fight infections, and contributes to hormonal balance. For vegetarians and vegans, who often find it difficult to get enough zinc, pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of this mineral. Iron, essential for the transport of oxygen in the blood, helps prevent anemia, providing more energy on a daily basis. In addition to minerals, pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of antioxidants, such as carotenoids and vitamin E. These compounds help fight oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. Another important benefit of nuggets is the presence of healthy fats, such as omega-6 fatty acids. When consumed in moderation, these fats promote brain and heart health, complementing the other benefits of this seed. And we can't forget its versatility in the kitchen. With a slightly buttery flavor, pumpkin seeds can be consumed roasted as a practical and nutritious snack, added to salads, soups, or even used as a crunchy topping in a variety of dishes. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet is more than a nutritious choice. It's a delicious and convenient way to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function more efficiently and strongly. Hemp, the complete plant source of protein you need. Hemp seeds are true examples of how nature can offer complete nutrition in such a small format. They are one of the few plant sources that provide complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes them ideal for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking for healthy alternatives to increase their protein intake. Hemp protein is highly bioavailable, that is, it is easily absorbed by the body. This characteristic is especially important for those looking to improve muscle recovery, increase energy, or simply ensure an adequate daily protein intake. Furthermore, hemp has a perfect balance between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This ideal proportion helps to reduce inflammation in the body, protect cardiovascular health, and improve brain function. Another highlight of hemp seeds is the presence of minerals such as iron, zinc, and magnesium, all essential for maintaining energy levels, strengthening immunity, and supporting general well-being. They are also rich in healthy fats, which help nourish the brain, improve skin health, and provide lasting energy. Despite being derived from the cannabis plant, hemp seeds contain negligible levels of THC, the psychoactive compound associated with marijuana. This means that they are completely safe and legal to consume, without any risk of unwanted side effects. In the kitchen, hemp is extremely versatile. With a mild, slightly nutty flavor, it can be used in smoothies, salads, yogurts, soups, or even as a complement to bread and cake recipes. Its daily use not only enriches the diet with essential nutrients, but also offers a practical and tasty way to improve overall health. Including hemp seeds in your daily life is like giving your body the perfect fuel to stay strong, active, and balanced. The 4 hidden traps, seeds you should avoid. Apple seeds, the poison hidden in the most popular fruit. Apples are widely recognized as one of the healthiest foods in the world, but their seeds hide a dangerous secret. Inside apple seeds is a substance called amygdala, which, when metabolized by the body, can release cyanide. Cyanide is an extremely toxic compound that interferes with the body's ability to use oxygen, which can lead to serious problems such as respiratory failure and even death in extreme cases. Luckily, the risk of serious cyanide poisoning from eating apple seeds is low, especially if they are swallowed whole. This is because the hard shell of the seeds usually passes through the digestive system without being broken. However, when the seeds are chewed or crushed, the tonsil is released, increasing the risk of cyanide exposure. Although small amounts do not pose a significant threat, regular consumption or consumption in large quantities can become dangerous. This is why, when preparing apples for juices, smoothies, or other dishes, it is recommended to remove the seeds completely. The simple habit of discarding the seeds already eliminates any potential risk, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits of this nutritious fruit without worry. In the end, the message is clear. Enjoy apples safely, but keep the seeds off your plate. Tomato seeds, the silent enemy of your gut. Tomatoes are a versatile and beloved ingredient in cuisines around the world. However, its seeds can pose a problem for some people, especially those with sensitive digestive conditions. Tomato seeds contain lectins, proteins that can interfere with digestion and cause inflammation in certain individuals. Although lectins are present in many foods and are not harmful to most people, those with conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome may experience discomfort such as gas, bloating, or abdominal pain. Additionally, the hard coating on tomato seeds can be difficult to digest. For people with conditions such as diverticulitis, the seeds can lodge in the small pockets formed in the lining of the intestine, potentially exacerbating inflammation and pain. Although there is no absolute consensus in the medical community about the direct relationship between tomato seeds and diverticulitis attacks, many professionals recommend avoiding them as a precaution. For most people, tomato seeds do not pose significant risks and can be consumed without any problems. But if you've ever experienced discomfort or have an intestinal condition, consider removing the seeds before including tomatoes in your recipes. This small precaution can avoid unnecessary complications, allowing you to continue enjoying the flavor and nutritional benefits of tomatoes safely. Poppy seeds, the danger of opiaces in your meals. Poppy seeds are popular in breads, cakes, and other recipes, but they hide risks that many people are unaware of. They come from the same plant used to produce opiates, such as morphine and codeine. Although commercially sold seeds undergo cleaning processes, opiate residues may remain, especially in unwashed seeds. Consuming large amounts of poppy seeds or products made from unprocessed seeds can cause side effects such as drowsiness, nausea, and in extreme cases, even intoxication. Additionally, there are reports of people testing positive for opiates after consuming large amounts of these seeds, even if they come from commercial sources. One of the biggest dangers is the use of unwashed seeds to produce poppy tea. This practice concentrates high levels of opioid compounds, which can lead to serious and even fatal overdoses. Fortunately, moderate consumption of poppy seeds in foods prepared with properly treated seeds does not pose any significant health risks. To avoid problems, always choose seeds from reliable suppliers and consume in small quantities. And above all, never use unwashed seeds or try to make infusions with them. With a little caution, you can avoid the dangers associated with poppy seeds and enjoy their gastronomic contributions safely. Cherry seeds, the mistake that can put your health at risk. Cherries are delicious and nutritious, but their seeds pose a risk that many people are unaware of. Like apple seeds, cherry seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that can release cyanide when metabolized by the body. Fortunately, the risk of poisoning is low if the seeds are swallowed whole, as their tough shell usually prevents the body from processing them. The danger increases when the seeds are chewed, crushed, or consumed in large quantities. The release of cyanide can cause symptoms such as nausea, dizziness, headaches, and in severe cases, respiratory failure. While accidentally ingesting 1 or 2 seeds is unlikely to cause problems, it is critical to avoid intentional or large volume consumption. Another important precaution is with children, who may, out of curiosity, chew or swallow cherry seeds without realizing the risk. Cherries themselves are absolutely safe and offer a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that benefit health. However, seeds should always be discarded to avoid any exposure to cyanide. When consuming fresh cherries or preparing them in recipes, be careful to remove the seeds before serving. This simple precaution is enough to protect your health and continue enjoying the benefits of this delicious fruit without worry. Seeds are true gifts from nature, carrying a multitude of essential nutrients in a small, powerful format. They can transform your health, bringing benefits to the heart, intestines, energy, and even preventing serious diseases. Chia, flaxseed, pumpkin, and hemp are shining examples of how the right choice can enrich your diet and strengthen your body. But as with everything in life, it is important to be knowledgeable and careful. Apple, tomato, poppy, and cherry seeds, although they seem harmless, can hide dangers that can be easily avoided with attention and preparation. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and promote your health. Choosing the right seeds is more than a dietary decision. It is an investment in well-being, longevity, and quality of life. So, get started today. Include seeds that promote health and remove those that may pose risks. With conscious choices, you can enjoy everything these little superfoods have to offer, living healthier and fuller lives. Remember, small changes can generate big transformations. Make seeds your allies on the journey towards a better life. Now, it's your turn to act. What will you do today to take care of your health?